In this lesson, I will show you how to use double quote. So basically double quote is used for two purposes: for finding exact phrase or a specific spelling of a word. Let's see this example. We will search the first example without using double quote, and then again we will search the second example with double quote. Lines are same and they are the line from a song, When Venus the Goddess of Beauty and Love. So let me show you. So click on Google. Now type When Venus the Goddess of Beauty and Love. Then press enter. We can see there are many results, but we are not getting the exact song or exact phrase. Now add double quote before and after the search query. Then press enter. We can see this link talks about music, and this is the line that we have searched in, When the Venus the Goddess of Beauty and Love. So click on the link to get in. Now we can see this is the line again which we have searched in, and this is the entire song. In this way we can find anything using double quote, either exact phrase or song or the word in the same order. Please remember to use double quote only when we are sure about the word. Now suppose we have to find the word color, color, not color, color. So to get the desired result, first we will type the word color, color, and then use double quote before and after the search query. Let's see this example. So type color and then use double quote before and after your search query and then press enter. We can see here color, 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 color. So when we will use double quote, it will show the exact match of the word. It will not show other spelling of color like color. So if you want to find for a specific spelling of a specific word, then use double quote.